Are you ready to unlock the secrets of turmeric and harness its incredible benefits? In our previous video, we've already uncovered 10 remarkable ways turmeric can transform your health. But the magic doesn't end there. It's time to explore 2 time-honored elixirs that have stood the test of time. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, and turmeric water are age-old recipes, cherished for their comforting flavors and healthful properties. These golden concoctions offer a delightful way to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine while reaping the additional benefits they bring. Join us on a journey into the world of ancient elixirs as we introduce 2 golden recipes: turmeric milk and turmeric water. Get ready to sip your way to wellness with these soothing and refreshing concoctions. Golden recipe number 1: turmeric milk, a golden blend of comfort and wellness. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk or haldi doodh, is a soothing concoction that warms the heart and nourishes the body. To prepare this ancient elixir, gently heat a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, with a teaspoon of ground turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a touch of sweetener if desired. The black pepper enhances turmeric's absorption, making it even more potent. Once the milk is infused with the golden hue of turmeric, sip it slowly and relish the comforting flavors. There you have it, my friends. Enjoy this golden blend of comfort and wellness. Now let's talk about 5 hidden benefits of turmeric milk. 1. Sleep aid. Turmeric milk is renowned for its calming properties, making it a popular bedtime beverage to promote restful sleep and combat insomnia. 2. Soothes inflammation. The anti-inflammatory nature of turmeric may help ease muscle and joint pain, making turmeric milk a soothing tonic for soreness and stiffness. 3. Supports immune system. With its immune-boosting abilities, this golden elixir helps fortify your body's defenses against infections and seasonal illnesses. 4. Aids digestion. Turmeric milk's gentle warmth aids digestion, reducing bloating and discomfort after meals. 5. Skin glow. The antioxidant properties of turmeric may contribute to a radiant complexion, leaving your skin with a healthy, natural glow. Recipe number 2. Turmeric water, a refreshing hydration. Turmeric water, a revitalizing and hydrating elixir, offers a simple yet effective way to harness turmeric's goodness. To prepare this refreshing drink, mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder into a glass of warm or room temperature water. Stir well until the water turns a brilliant golden hue. For added flavor, a squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of honey can be included. Now enjoy this refreshing hydration regularly and feel the magic in few weeks. Now let's talk about 5 hidden benefits of turmeric water. 1. Detoxifying power. Turmeric's potent detoxifying properties help cleanse the body, supporting the liver's natural functions and aiding in overall detoxification. 2. Hydration booster. Infusing your water with turmeric encourages proper hydration, vital for maintaining overall health and well-being. 3. Metabolism support. Some studies suggest that turmeric may play a role in boosting metabolism, making turmeric water a helpful companion in maintaining a healthy weight. 4. Digestive aid. Just like turmeric milk, turmeric water also aids digestion and may alleviate indigestion and bloating. 5. Natural anti-inflammatory. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects extend to turmeric water, helping to combat inflammation and its associated health concerns. As with any new addition to your diet, it's essential to enjoy turmeric-infused recipes in moderation, especially if you are pregnant, have gallbladder issues, or are taking blood-thinning medications. Consulting your healthcare provider before incorporating turmeric milk or water into your routine is always a wise step. So why not savor the goodness of turmeric in both its traditional and refreshing forms? Embrace the ancient wisdom of turmeric milk and turmeric water, and let these golden elixirs enrich your life with their comforting and healthful magic. Now we want to hear from you. Have you tried these golden elixirs before, or are you excited to give them a try? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Together, let's unlock the secrets to vibrant living and pave the way to a healthier, happier future for all. Wishing you a healthy and happy life.